5 signs to tell if someone likes you. Have you ever felt confused about someone's feelings and desperately tried to analyze every little interaction? Are you navigating the early stages of a relationship? Today, we're here to help you crack the code to discover if someone is interested in you. Here are some clues. First, pay attention to their body language. Are they mirroring your movements? This could be a sign that they're interested. Also, notice if their feet are pointing towards you. They are not walking away. Feet don't lie. A slight touch on your arm or shoulder can be a way for the other person to gauge your interest. Second, observe their eye contact. Do they maintain eye contact and occasionally look away? It could mean they're trying to catch your attention. When someone is attracted to you, they subconsciously try to engage in lots of mutual eye contact. They do this to feel closer to you and because they are interested in you and what you are saying. But beware, prolonged staring may just mean they have something on their mind. Third, let's talk about smiles. Are they genuinely smiling when they see you? A warm, radiant smile could be a solid indication that they are interested in you. A smile each time you lock eyes can be a good sign. Keep an eye out for those pearly whites. Fourth, another valuable clue is how often a person initiates a conversation with you. If they're always finding reasons to start a chat, chances are they enjoy your company and want to spend more time with you. Fifth, watch for their compliments. Do they give you genuine, flattering remarks? It might just mean they adore you. If a person is complimenting your appearance or personality, it can be a pretty good sign that they like you. But remember, it's important to consider the context and the sincerity behind their words. Remember, though, these are just clues and not foolproof methods. Always keep communication open and honest. These clues might give you the confidence to ask if that person likes you. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decoding! Thanks for watching.